Hey guys, sorry, I know I'm not there with you today. My kids are sick, I've got to be home. So, one thing I do want to make sure I talk to you about. First of all, a big thank you to all of you who always work hard, regardless of whether I'm in the classroom or a substitute or anybody. We appreciate you. Thank you. For those of you who kind of recognize this is a Friday and there's a substitute and I'm not there, we've had some issues in the past with you not completing the work you need to do in a timely manner. Guys, there is more than ample time to get everything done. There is basically no excuse for not finishing. So, I promise, if you work hard, just like that smart kid sitting next to you, you're going to have everything done early, including your homework. So, stick with this, give your best effort. When you feel that urge to go ahead and kind of not pay attention, okay, take a quick 2-minute break in your seat. Then hop back to it. You can complete this. When I see you all on Wednesday, because you're not coming on Tuesday, it's election day. When I see you all on Wednesday, everything's done, right? The homework is finished, the performance matter's done, everything's good. So, best effort, hard work. I will see you guys on Wednesday. Good luck.